Welcome to FBD. Today we are going to try Gliptone GT Iron Eater on this wheel rim. As well, we're going to spray it on the panel. We put the product in the sprayer. Now we're going to spray it, and you can see how fast it reacts. It clings. So we cover everywhere. You can spray it even inside. As well on the paint. So spray this area. As you can see, it's turned purple very fast. So we let it for 1 minute. Then we're gonna spray the water without agitating to show you the strength of the product. As you can see here, it's also reacting with the brake dust. Now we'll spray from this side. Now we'll look to close up so you can see how it cleans with no agitating. It's very powerful, very great product. If you like the video, please share it, like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.